Hey guys, Jona here, and it's giveaway time, and this time I'm drawing the 3 winners from my pink toolkit build. So I built the ultimate pink toolkit. It was all of the best pink tools I could find in a pink 1510 Pelly case, which we then auctioned for breast cancer awareness. And as part of the build, I put in a pink Olight torch, which was pinched, and Olight replaced it and sent me 3 extra for a giveaway. So I've got all 3 of those here, and all you had to do was drop a comment and make sure you subscribed. And I can see that we have 326 valid entries, so let's pick our first winner. And the first winner is James McLeod, who says, Mr. Fisher heard what problems the astronauts were having, so designed and developed the space pen in Fisher Pen. Took on all the development costs themselves and then sold the pens to NASA at cost. What a legend. I do love the Fisher Space Pen. If you've not heard of it, it's a very good quality, compact pen that works, writes in the rain, writes upside down, and I love it. And I put a Fisher Space Pen in the pink toolkit. So congratulations, James, you are our first winner. Number 2, we've got Matthew Barrowcliffe, who says, would have loved a set of clamps and a pry bar, possibly a mallet to go with the hammer. Yeah, I don't think I'd have fitted all them in the foam in the case, but great ideas. I think a pink pry bar would have definitely been able to fit if I could have found one in pink. But congratulations, you're our second winner. And our third and final winner is Thomas, who says, amazing kit, it might stop my wife stealing mine. Hopefully you've put yourself a pink toolkit together for your wife to solve that problem. But if you haven't, you can start off with a pink Olight torch, which will be winging its way to you very soon. We'll get in touch with all 3 of the winners, get your addresses, and we'll send these out to you. We'll only contact you through YouTube as well, through the Jona Shone official account. And don't worry if you've missed out on this giveaway, because there's plenty more giveaways active right now over on Jona Shone. So if you go and watch those videos, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and you won't miss out on the next one. So congratulations to the winners, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.